The equipment is equipped with a tire lifting and starting device to raise the tire. Align the center hole of the tire with the equipment using a slide, and then lower the tire lift truck. Align the central vertebral body with the tire center hole and rotate it to lock and fix the tire. Reset the auxiliary arm and adjust the position and angle of the automatic bird head to align with the tire edge. The device does not require a pry bar to activate the automatic bird head to lift the tire edge. Step on the turntable to start the equipment and remove the first layer of tires. Lift the second layer of tires with the spin-off wheel and start the turntable to remove the second layer of tires. Remove the tire to complete tire disassembly.